And here we will visit the forests and swamps of North America, right on the Florida Peninsula, home to many native species. And at this watering hole we find a native crane to the Florida Peninsula. Scientific name is Tallus birdus longus beakis pokis. I do not wish to observe this animal because it is frankly quite fucking boring. We are looking for something a little more choppy. In order to find such a ferocious beast, we must venture into the swamplands of bumfuck nowhere. As though you may not see anything, I can assure you through the brush there is a cunning hunter, stalking, waiting for his next prey, with camouflage that will make any man say no, fuck that, and fuck you. Is sure to make her an efficient hunter in the wild. Riverus Dinosaurus Choppius no thankuus, otherwise known as the North American alligator. A true modern-day dinosaur in its own right. This here is a female. It appears that she has something catching her eye other than our camera crew. Mischievous Mila raccoonus. As the name suggests, they are quite mischievous, and in fact adorable, like Mila Kunis. It's science. Look it up. And at this very moment, the raccoons have spotted the dinosaur. The dinosaur, or the North American alligator, is approaching the raccoons. And if one of the raccoons had pants, he could not give a shit, as the other one might be shitting his pants. This raccoon seems to want to get the fuck out of there. Quite honestly, I would not blame them. As we can see, the alligator is making haste after the raccoons. And the raccoons are now saying that they should indeed flee. And if the raccoons think that they should flee, that means we are getting the fuck out of here. Thank you for joining us once again on this wild adventure. Join us next time where we see a bunch of fucking elephants hitting each other with their trunks. Have a good night.